Hi all, it's David from DP Computing. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Dynabook branded laptop. These are the old Toshiba. They're now relabeled or rebadged as Dynabook. This is one of their machines. This one is, if you can see, probably there, is a Dynabook Tecra C50-EC. So this is just the outside of the package. Just a plain old box, shall we say. Slice open that bit. Now let's see. Open. Get it under. So we've got a quick start guide. The power adapter, power cable. This one's for Australia. This is the power adapter itself. See, that's badged as a Toshiba. So let me, if I can quickly find out, the output is 19 volt, 2.37 amp. If you can see the model number there a bit more. That to one side. Here's the actual unit. So as you saw before, the box itself was labelled Dynabook, but the actual laptop is labelled Toshiba, so I'm not sure if they're still going to be changing that or what the deal is. So there's the actual unit itself. This one's an Intel Core i5. It's a Tecra, and again it's badged down there as a Toshiba. No actual Dynabook labelling in here as such. Even on the back here, we've got it's a Toshiba Dynabook Tecra C50-EC. This one's a part number PT5A1A-01Q00K. So we've got removable battery here. So battery comes out without taking any of the back cover off, which is good. I like some of the laptops, other brands. On this side, we've got SD card reader, USB, USB-C, HDMI, VGA, some vents, and looks like a power there. And on the other side, we've got USB, optical drive, and a Ethernet port, which is good, and probably a sound, a headphone jack there as well. So on the front, there's no ports or anything, and again on the back, there's no ports. Just put that down to one side. We also get the various manuals. So just see what's in here. So just got the limited warranty statement. And this is just a quick start guide for the Tecra series. Looks like it really opens up. So that's just what all the ports are, where everything is. They're just different languages. There we go. So there we have it. That's a quick unboxing of a Toshiba or Dynabook, whatever you want to call them now, Tecra series laptop. thanks for watching, and check out our other videos and other unboxings and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.